What if dinosaurs never went extinct and were still alive on Earth today? Humans would no longer be the rulers of this planet, but the hunted. Giant predators would walk across the land, searching for their next meal. Even the sky would not be safe, with flying reptiles watching from above. Every day would become a dangerous fight just to stay alive. One wrong step, one small mistake, and you become food. If dinosaurs were still alive today, humans might not exist at all. Like and subscribe